me again, it's Adventure M. Now I will share you how to cook the mutton khadai beef. First, make it boiled in 30 minutes. All together the ingredients, the mutton beef, the black pepper, turmeric powder, the masala powder, the onion, the garlic, and the chili flakes, and then the salt you can put if needed, and 1 cup of water, and boil this one in 30 minutes. So guys, after finish the cook the mutton beef and the taste it's okay, we will put the last ingredients, the topping. This one, the half cup of oil, and then the coriander leaves, and then the green chili, and make it boiled again in 8 to 10 minutes. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you like it, my new menu. It's me again, it's Adventure M. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you are new to my channel, just hit the notification bell for more update and my new video. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching.